It is another big night in the Sky Bet Championship. We are at a very windy West Bromwich Albion for this game between West Brom and Norwich City. Two teams looking to try and turn the tide and move up the championship table. West Bromwich Albion's second match under the leadership of Eric Ramsey. Norwich City, well, they look like they're starting to head in the right direction under Philippe Clement after winning 3 of their last 4 matches. It's a long-range effort. What a way to open it! Oscar Schwartau with a long-range effort out of absolutely nowhere. They gave him a few yards to infiltrate. He moved forward to the edge of the area. It's his 3rd of the season, and it's the opening goal on the 15-minute mark for Norwich City. West Brom 0, Norwich 1.
This is a great strike by Schwartau. Lovely ball between the lines. The West Brom defenders just drop off and hits this from distance. Little skids off the surface as well, but Kenny McLean just feeding it through. No one getting out close to him. And it's a great strike into that far corner. It really catches it well. Beautifully keen, but the defenders all dropping back. No one wanting to step out and put pressure on him. It allows that yard of space. Wonderful strike, it really is.
Free kick then.
It's an important moment. Decent delivery here from Johnson, needed for West Brom.
Johnston with the free kick then. There's a nudge in the back there, and it was a header that surely should have been a little bit better from Carlin Grant. He created the space for himself, but just couldn't quite direct it towards goal.
It's a great ball in. That was a chance, that really was.
Mikey Johnston, head down, charging forward. And he'd do with this all the way. Oh, and in the end, it was a brave stop from Vladan Kovacevic and a great run from Mikey Johnston. He just took it on and just did not want to stop and almost went all the way. Goalkeeper stranded on his line. And the header in the end from Samuel Illing Jr., yet again from West Brom. They get the chance, but can't hit the target.
This is 2 great chances. The one Carlin Grant had, but Illing Jr. here got to hit the target.
Nice ball forward this time. Well chested down. So he couldn't capitalise on it then, Carlin Grant. I think he has picked up the corner. What can Styles do with this? Low, it's to the near post. It's cut out easily in the end from Encrassin. They'll get another chance though. Glancing header. Yet again from the head. They have the chance. And Bielik just couldn't quite convert it.
It's better from West Brom. That's a decent ball in and well attacked. Just can't get it on target again.
Epham looking for options. Adju was initially one. Bundled off the ball by City. And then wins the ball back. It'd be a long-range strike and it's hit the post. What an effort again. Long-range effort. The goalkeeper was rooted to the spot. Kovacevic could only watch as it rattled the post.
Wow, when he opens this up here and he hits it, what a strike from Illing Jr. Left foot just rattles the post. He can't believe this has not ended up in the back of the net. A wonderful strike.
Norwich City burst forward. And it's an effort and it's a goal for Norwich City. And it's Ali Ahmed who's got it. Just as West Brom were starting to try and ask some questions, Norwich City had an answer of their own. It's Ali Ahmed.
brilliant from Slimani. Great piece of skill, just chops back inside and just puts this in a great position for Ahmed just to hit it first time. And does he hit it? Side of the foot, control but power, rising into that net, giving keeper no chance. It's a wonderful finish again. And Ahmed gets his name in the score sheet, and like the first half, it's an early goal that's just put West Brom on the back foot again.
Here come Norwich City again, dribbling through a crowd of players looking for an option, and in the end the shot was rattled in by Callum Fisher, and the boos ring out again around the Hawthorns. West Brom cut open.
Tries to place it instead of going for power. It's a decent save in the end from Griffiths.
Here's Taylor. Releasing the pressure to the chest, and forward they can go. Grant, there's the edge of the area. It looks like Jed Wallace wants it. It'll go for long-range effort instead. It just fizzed over the top of Vacevic's goal from Illing Jr. It's gone behind for a corner. Good save then.
I think it's a great stop. Illing Jr. again, that left foot cuts inside. Decent save, Vacevic.
City have got the tempo back to their own pace again. There is Nakama wrestling himself away from the ball. He stands on the ball, Slimani trying to break through. Was that a shot of handball, and he's hit the post again and he's turned it in. Carnage in the penalty area. West Bromwich Albion just could not get rid of it. And Anis then Slimani adds a third goal for Norwich City, and you wonder if that's it now for the Baggies. Norwich, 3 goals to the good at the Hawthorns.
They have 3 or 4 chances to clear the lines here, West Brom. None of them take it, and then they get the shot away. Keeper saves it, comes back off the post, and Slimani reacts quickest. He's the one that takes a shot. They're all on their heels, and he taps into the far post. But in the build-up to this, the Cam had 3 or 4 chances as well, and just look at the reactions from the West Brom defenders. They're all on their heels. None of them can get back out to it. Slimani pounces so quickly and assists and a goal.
Mikey Johnston goes in the referee's notebook. Ram's having to, as I say, with the lack of time on the training pitch, he's almost having to find his way in game situations as Norwich City come forward and look for perhaps a fourth. As the ball falls, they find one in the top bin. It's 4-0. It's Ben Crescenti who gets that 4th goal, and if it wasn't over before, the Canaries are singing even louder now. West Bromwich Albion 0, Norwich City 4.
Well, what a strike this is. You know, I can talk about defensively, the header not being pressured and bringing the ball down, but then it comes to your defender, bringing this down in the box, creating space, and absolutely smashing this into the roof of the net. Defensively, West Brom all over the place. Initial contact, but then where's the drop back? Where's the follow-up? To be able to bring this down your chest and then hit it, but what a hit.
Ball given away again, and this could be a 5th goal for Norwich City. Slimani trying to burst through, and eventually it is turned in by Matthias Kvistgaarden. They just burst through defence. West Bromwich Albion were wanting, and they now have found themselves conceding a 5th goal at home for the first time since 2021. Norwich City fans delirious. West Brom must be wondering what they need to do now, as they are 5-0 down against a team that before today were in the bottom 3 of the Championship.
You know, this is worrying signs for West Brom. It really is. Big games coming up against teams below them as well.
We are into the final moments of this game, and I think the next big action that will probably happen is that James Bell puts his whistle to his lips, and that is the final whistle. James Bell puts the Baggies out of their misery. They are beaten by a rampant second-half performance by Norwich City. It's ended here at the Hawthorns. West Brom 0, Norwich City 5.